All right. Um, so, I've been working on a text game, and it's just gonna be a simple game. I don't even know how far I'm gonna get into it, where it just asks you random questions. It'll save the um the questions you asked, and then so like if you give it a name, it'll be like, oh, hello, and then it'll say your name, and I don't know. It might just like have like a little story involved with it or something based on the information you give it, kind of like an ad lib or something. I don't know. Um, but anyways, I've been trying to like stay away from the C standard libraries when making it. So I have uh, in here, I have one for memory. So I got something for getting the program break, something else for allocating memory, and then putting that data in the allocated memory. Then I have memset, which sets a section of memory to a specific byte, kind of like memset in C. And then I have different string operations like getting the string size, find where a character is located in the string, uh, printing the string. This probably need to change, which is just a system. This is just a system call, and then change converting an integer to a string, and yeah. Um, so far, uh, I'm using. So I have an array here too. So every time it calls, I don't know. So it says, okay, it's gonna get the name right here. It's gonna ask for the name, get the input, store that into the name ID variable, and then it's gonna get the age. And so it's wait, let me say this correctly. It's gonna get the name, and then it's gonna call the set info function. And then what the set info function does is it allocates memory on the heap, puts the data that it got from std into that area that of memory that it allocated, and then it returns where the offset value is for that memory to find that memory. So then I'm moving that offset value into name ID, and then I'm doing getting the age, and then I'm taking the offset value, putting it into the age ID, and the ID is just the IDs are just the names for the offset value, and then that's how I set the info, and then it can get the info by calling the get info function, and then getting the placing the ID into the get info function. So when I call age ID into here, and I do my IO printf right here, which is using. Oh wait, here it's down here. So when I put the name ID here, and then I call the get info, uh, and then I place the offset for name ID into the printf, my printf thing that I made. I could put my name as Joe, whatever, and it says hello Joe. And then I could put instead of name info, instead of name ID, I could put age ID, and it says hello 23. So yeah, it's just an array of data in assembly that is allocated on the heap. Uh, yeah, I don't know. Still has a lot of work. I don't even know if I'll ever finish this. It's just something I'm doing to help me learn how assembly works.